Identity theft cases are skyrocketing, and unfortunately, it is no longer a matter of if your personal data will be exposed, but when. Your social security number, financial accounts, and deeply personal details are under constant threat from fraud that can literally take years to resolve. Today, we're pitting two of the biggest names in digital security against each other to see which one truly protects your life online. Aura and Coveron, which was formerly known as NordProtect, both promise to counter that growing threat. They bring dark web monitoring, expert identity restoration, and million-dollar insurance policies to the table. However, they prioritize very different layers of defense. Aura builds comprehensive coverage with 3-bureau credit monitoring and robust family protection, while Coveron bundles an incredibly powerful VPN with extensive servers and advanced malware blocking at a very sharp price point. We put these two heavyweights to the test in this 2026 comparison to uncover their real-world setup, alert speeds, and overall value. Let's dive in and see which service is the smarter shield for your online identity. Before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let's break down what each of these platforms is really all about. Aura is an absolute powerhouse for comprehensive identity protection. Founded in 2014 after the founder's own personal experience with credit theft, it now protects over 1 million members worldwide. It has a stellar 4.3 trust score on Trustpilot, meaning people genuinely rely on it to secure their lives. On the other hand, Coveron benefits heavily from the years of award-winning cybersecurity experience built by Nord Security. If you know NordVPN, you know they take digital privacy incredibly seriously. Coveron is all about keeping your personal data safe in a world full of digital threats, offering an automated, hands-on approach to identity protection, combined with premium software. When it comes down to trustworthiness, both services have fantastic reputations. Aura excels at delivering white-glove customer support and peace of mind for whole households, with its generous insurance caps. Meanwhile, Coveron leverages NordVPN's trusted security tools to provide top-tier digital privacy. Coveron edges just a bit ahead for pure cybersecurity foundations, but both are incredibly solid choices. If you want to grab either of these today, we from CyberInsider secured a coupon code for our viewers. You can find our exclusive 68% off discount for Aura and up to 71% off for Coveron's 2-year plans in the links below. Let's talk about the absolute core of identity protection: monitoring. Both Aura and Coveron keep a very close watch on your credit and the dark web. The big news for 2026 is that both services now offer full 3-bureau credit monitoring. This means they actively watch Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax for any unusual activity, like someone trying to open a new credit card or take out a loan in your name. Aura includes this comprehensive 3-bureau monitoring on absolutely every single plan they offer, along with monthly credit score updates and annual credit report, and a very handy Experian credit clock feature that lets you instantly block unauthorized access to your credit file. Coveron has also stepped up its game by adding 3-bureau monitoring, which is a massive upgrade. However, you do need their premium full protection plan to get it, and activation can take a few days. Aura definitely pulls ahead here with faster, near real-time alerts and universal ability across all its price tiers. When we look at dark web monitoring, your sensitive data should never be lurking in hidden hacker forums. Aura runs daily scans across these hidden marketplaces, instantly alerting you if your passwords, email, or financial details show up in a breach. Coveron offers fantastic 24/7 dark web surveillance too, letting you track up to 5 email addresses and phone numbers. Both services alert you incredibly fast, but Aura's real-time alerts, combined with its extra layers of tax fraud monitoring, give it a slight edge for proactive defense. Finding out your identity has been stolen is a nightmare, but what happens next is what you're really paying for. When identity theft hits, you need a massive financial safety net. Aura brings out the big guns with a massive $1 million insurance policy for each adult member on the individual plan, up to $2 million on the couple plan, and up to $5 million on the family plan. This heavily covers stolen funds, legal fees, and even out-of-pocket travel costs. Best of all, Aura provides personalized white glove support from dedicated recovery specialists who will guide you step by step through the messy, stressful process of dealing with credit bureaus and legalities. Coveron takes a slightly different, highly modern approach. They offer up to $2 million in coverage and connect you with a dedicated case manager to quickly clean up the mess. They even offer mental health support to ease the massive stress that comes with fraud. Where Coveron really stands out in the industry is their unique cyber extortion protection. They offer up to $50,000 for ransom payments if your digital life is held hostage, plus $10,000 for cyber attack recovery coverage. There is a small $100 deductible, but it is an incredible safety net for modern digital threats. Overall, Aura wins for maximum family coverage and hands-on help, while Coveron is amazing if cyber extortion and modern digital attacks are your primary concern. Beyond just watching your identity, these services actively try to stop hackers from getting your data in the first place. Both come packed with antivirus software and a virtual private network, but the execution is vastly different. Aura includes an AI-powered antivirus that runs quietly in the background on your Windows, Mac, and Android devices. It has a fantastic 98% malware detection rate. Aura also provides a simple, easy-to-use VPN with strong AES-256 encryption. However, Aura's VPN only connects to US-based servers. It is great for basic privacy at a coffee shop, but you cannot use it to bypass geo-restrictions or access international streaming content. This is where Coveron completely dominates the competition. Because it is built by NordSecurity, Coveron bundles in the world-class NordVPN. You get access to over 9,400 servers across 126 countries, delivering blazing fast speed for streaming in ultra-high definition and gaming without lag. It features next-generation encryption, double VPN, and Onion over VPN for absolute privacy. Plus, Coveron includes Threat Protection Pro, which blocks malware, stops phishing attacks, and removes malicious ads seamlessly before they even load. If performance, top-tier security, and true internet freedom matter to you, Coveron's cybersecurity suite is simply unmatched. Let's talk about the everyday tools you need to stay safe: password managers and data removal. Aura includes a very straightforward password manager that safely stores and autofills your logins. It also generates email aliases to shield your real address from spammy websites. More importantly, Aura includes a built-in privacy assistant on every single plan that actively scans data broker websites and automatically submits removal requests. It scrubs your personal info from the internet without you having to lift a finger, keeping your digital footprint incredibly small. Coveron responds by giving you NordPass, which uses incredibly strong XChaCha20 encryption. It securely syncs across all your devices, flags weak or reused passwords, and lets you securely share logins with family or coworkers. As for data removal, Coveron includes Incogni, but only on their top-tier full protection plan. Incogni is widely known as one of the best data removal tools on the market, effectively erasing your private info from shady databases. While Coveron offers superior individual tools with NordPass and Incogni, Aura gets huge points for including automated data broker removal seamlessly on absolutely every plan they sell. Managing your digital security shouldn't require a computer science degree. Aura keeps everything completely streamlined with its dedicated desktop and mobile apps. You get an intuitive command center dashboard, where credit monitoring, alerts, and financial tracking are all in one neatly organized place. Plus, Aura offers incredible 24/7 live chat and phone support, based in the US. If you ever have a panic moment, a real expert is there to pick up the phone immediately. Coveron takes a much more minimalist approach. Instead of a dedicated desktop app, everything runs through the Nord account web portal in your browser. It is incredibly clean, simple, and easy to navigate with no confusing menus. However, Coveron currently relies heavily on email support, alongside live chat and phone support that may not match Aura's extensive 24/7 white glove availability. For ultimate ease of use and having a dedicated app right in your pocket, Aura definitely wins the user experience category. Now, let's talk about the price. Aura focuses purely on premium identity protection with no fluff included. Their individual plan starts around $12 a month, but with our special discount, you can get it for just $9 a month on an annual plan. They also offer excellent couple and family plans that cover multiple users and devices, all backed by a very generous 60-day money-back guarantee. It is not the absolute cheapest option on the market, but you are paying for top-tier, all-inclusive protection. Coveron keeps things incredibly budget-friendly, with 3 clear tiers: scam protection, identity theft protection, and full protection. If you use our CyberInsider discount, you can get Coveron starting at an astonishing $2.84 a month on a 2-year plan. Even their top-tier full protection plan, which includes NordVPN, NordPass, 3-bureau monitoring, and Incogni, comes in at just $8.54 a month. Coveron offers a standard 30-day money-back guarantee. Make sure to check the description for our coupon codes for both Aura and Coveron to lock in these amazing prices. So which one comes out on top? It is a very close race, but Aura takes the crown as the overall winner today. Aura delivers unmatched, all-inclusive coverage, full 3-bureau credit monitoring on every plan, faster alerts, and world-class customer service that genuinely goes the extra mile. If you want comprehensive protection and high insurance limits for your whole family, Aura is the clear choice. However, if you're on a budget and want top-tier cybersecurity tools like an industry-leading VPN and password manager bundled in, Coveron is an absolute steal that will keep your digital life locked down. Thank you for watching CyberInsider. Stay secure, and I'll see you in the next one.